Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create Bhagavad Geeta website using free API with ChatGPT. So first of all, we need to open Bhagavad Geeta API. And as you can see here, Bhagavad Geeta API.in, you need to open that website. We don't need to create any API key or any auth, okay? We can call directly this API. So how can I do this? So as you can see, the second is Slok chapter and then SL. It means we need to call the chapter and that slok name. Which one? Okay, suppose. So what I need to do here, let's click on this. Okay, so let's click on this, and as you can see here, the API. So what I will do, Bhagavad Geeta API.in, that one. Okay, then what I will do here, I'll just type here SLOK, then slash, then 1 slash, and then 1, and just enter. So as you can see here, what I'm getting here, I'm getting the chapter 1 slok, okay, this one, Drashtra Upavach Dharm Kshetre Kurukshetre, and second one, what I'm getting here, I'm getting the translation of that slok here by the lot of authors. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a lot of translation in Hindi and the English both. So what I'm doing here, I will create a one user panel where user need to put the chapter 1, okay, or whatever the chapter he can or she can put, and they need to put a slok name. Suppose the chapter is 1 and the slok is 2. So once they put that value and once they click on the submit button, so they will get chapter 1 and the slok number 2. Okay, so how can I do this? So now let's go to the ChatGPT. Now we have a API, right? So what I will do, I will say to the ChatGPT is simple HTML JavaScript website, JavaScript one page website, okay, to fetch data from this API. And what I will do, I'll just call this API here and just use and just enter. So what I'm getting here, I'm getting one simple HTML code. So I'll just copy this, go to the VS Code, paste this code here, okay, like this. And what I will do here, I will just save that code in one file, is Bhagavad Geeta new.html, okay. And in the developer, I will save this. Let's open this, okay. Let's open this Bhagavad Geeta new.html. So as you can see, Bhagavad Geeta slok undefined, okay. Now let's go to the code. And let's see. As you can see, data.sanskrit. So let's data.slok. Save it. As you can see here, I'm getting this one, a slok, first slok. Okay. So what I need to do, I need a translation also. Okay. So what I will do, I'll just say to the ChatGPT, okay, I need a translation slok also. Okay. And just enter. Okay. So I will just copy and paste this code here, and as you can see, we have to change data to slok, okay, and let's see how this will work. Okay, the translation is nothing here. So what I will do here, I will modify that code. Okay, so what I will do here, I will just add some things, and we need to put the author name. So the author is, you can define any author. So as you can see here, there is one author that is called this stage, okay, this one, first one. So I will call this one author. So let's stage, okay, and then I need to call that author, this one. Okay, now what I need to do, I just need to just remove this from here, okay, column, and then what I will do here, I just need to add the string. Okay, so I will call the plus, okay, and I will just join the string, so something like this, and I'll just call here data dot ht, okay, the Swami Tej Nanda, and as you can see, the translation in Hindi here. So like this, you can define here English translation also. You can call English and other language translation also. You need to just find the values here in that API. Okay, so now that's the thing. Now what I need to do, I need to make it as a dynamic. If someone put the value of chapter and the slok, okay, then we need that particular chapter, okay, and the slok also. So how can I do this? So to do this, what I will do here, I'll just open my VS Code again, and I'll copy that code. Okay, I'll copy that code and go to the ChatGPT and just say make chapter and verse to be dynamic in this code and just enter. Now let's try to copy this code and let's paste this code here. Okay, and let's save it and let's try to run this code. Okay, so chapter 1 verse 1 fetch slok. So as you can see here, the one is slok we are fetching. Let's try to verse second one and let's fetch this. As you can see here, we are fetching the second one. That's the overall website, Bhagavad Geeta website that we have created using the ChatGPT and free API. What you can do here, you can modify that button color, you can modify that design and overall thing using the ChatGPT itself. Okay, so if you need any help on that, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.